I came here with nothing. I came here with nothing.
Ready again.
And they say I'm way too
Straight, you know, up to the time. Don't know where the Portland plays. Watching it on coming.
My lifestyle is way too aggressive. I came here with nothing. I came here with nothing. And they say I'm way too aggressive. They say I'm
That's it? Yeah.
So where big bad are they?
I came here with nothing. I came here with nothing.
How mile ago? Oh.
Trust many now, maybe cause everyone don't see the vision. Look, we ain't showing up with no models, cause when we get it, we just pull them, they come to the click.
One them. It's easy. Yeah, man. Flavor, you know. Girl, them savor, you know. Who have no behavior, you know. We're not telling nothing more.
She asked why I'm so full of life, bitch. I came here with nothing. I came here with nothing. And they say I'm way too aggressive. They say I'm way too aggressive. My clique is way too aggressive. My lifestyle is way too aggressive. I came here with nothing. I came.
One them.
Let me ask you, let's ask a question. Remember last night when my friend that we were up to? And this time I thought when we fuck up with the pool and everything, cause man the most broke down. Yo, kid who start vote mode. I mean, remind us to
What it does, we sorry you ain't getting lucky. And when she asked me how I got to the place that I'm at, I just tell her I came here with nothing.